Hello guys, today we're going to be drawing this guy right here. That's a CatVille character, Bosy. But, so, first, get your paper, get your pencil. Also, most importantly, don't forget your colors. I'm going to set my colors right here on the tape. And I got my pencil. So look, see right there. So look, on our paper we draw a circle. Like this. Let's draw his white fur. There we go. Now let's draw his mouth. And also, don't forget his eyes. Finished. Pause the video if you need. It's important to pause. Second eye finished. Now let's draw his eyebrows. There we go. Now color them in black. Okay. Let's now draw his ears. They're just triangles because he's a cat. There we go, his ears are first. Now we're going to draw that fancy strawberry lemon cake hat. First, let's go get this little base for the hat. Now, make a line right here. Do to the other side. There we go. His head is all finished. This is gonna be easy, fast. Now, that. Let's draw his bow. His bow tie. There we go. Let's draw his body. Hey, that was so weird. Okay, his body. Oh, this is actually looking intelligent. Oops, I made a mistake. See, look at my mistake. What's the mistake? Well, I accidentally made it come from his head. We don't want that. That's not what he's like. See, it comes from his body. His hand. So we're gonna make it. There we go. Is that better? Oh, yeah, it looks really wobbly because we don't have his hand on it. Let's do the same thing with the other one. No mistakes. But there's a smart way. So you get this, you draw this thing. I know he looks like a monster. Then you add the circle like this. See? Now, I guess let's draw some legs. Draw some lines. Okay, and now it's finished. Didn't this tutorial help? Well, it's not finished yet. We just gotta go get our nice little color yellow. Color is body yellow. By the way, all his ears are yellow. Just, he doesn't have outlines. So, yeah. Okay, this is doing good, guys. Secret mom. This is masterpiece. Let's draw his hands. I just off finishing drawing all the yellow. Let's put our yellow back and I'll tell you what to get. Okay. Now get pink. I'll wait a second for you. You got pink? Okay, let's get drawing again. This pink. It needs to spell carnation pink. Carnation, I mean. Rose. What? Rose Pseudo Clavel. Okay. Color his eyes in. Use it hardly inside of his pupils. Now use it lightly on the outside of the eyes. Now we also need color these parts of the hats. Make it look like it's changing color to yellow, pink, and see, it's like that right there. Oops. Okay, let's put our pink back. This one. It needs to spell scarlet on it. There, I got it right there. Okay. Okay, I just got done, I guess. Not just yet. Because we actually need to get that yellow for his clothes. Oops! Okay, guys. Ready for the announcement? It's ready. And by the way, you were supposed to get this. It needs to spell yellow, just yellow, only yellow. Okay? For the final announcement, I'm going to show you the image. Ready to see? 3, 2, 1. Look at him. Did it turn out good? And did this tutorial help you? If it did, please subscribe. And also, for more amazing things, please subscribe, like, and that would be great. Please. Little crayon mess right here. Okay. Bye-bye, guys. See you next time. And we'll be creating more CatVille characters.